Good day, everyone. My topic is about AI and audit quality, specifically the concern raised by regulators, according to the Financial Times, big accounting firms that are not properly tracking the impact of AI and audit quality. These issues raises important questions about the reliability and integrity of future audits. So, Financial Times key report, in the key findings, the Financial Times report that even though AI is being used now more in audits firms, it still lacks a strong system to monitor its impact. Because of this, the gap, regulators and the public don't know whether AI is improving audit quality or creating new risks. So in the regulators' concern, the lack of AI impact tracking, regulators are considered because there is no transparent tracking of AI influence. Without clear metrics, no one can assess if AI is making audits more accurate or if it is introducing errors and biases. This creates problems in transparency, risk assessment, and accountability. So, why is this happening? For this situation, it is caused by several factors. First, the rapid adoption of AI, where firms move faster than regulations can keep up. Second, the lack of standardized frameworks for AI governance. And third, the complexity of integrating AI tools with traditional audit procedures. So in the potential impact of untracked AI, if AI's influence is not monitored, several consequences can occur. Financial misstatements may go undetected, public trust in audits may decline, firms may face regulatory penalties, and long-term reputational damage can happen. Case study, hypothetical failure. To illustrate the risk, this PPT presents a hypothetical case of an AI trained on base data might fail to detect certain fraud patterns. In this failure, it is not tracked. The audit may appear even though major irregularities exist. This shows AI bias can silently affect audit results. So, in mitigating the risk, what the firms should be doing? To avoid these problems, firms must build strong AI governance. They should create ethical guidelines, ensure data integrity, validate AI models, and continuously monitor AI performance. These steps help ensure that AI supports audit quality rather than harming it. So recommendations for the regulators. Regulators also have a key role. They need to set clear guidelines for AI use in auditing. They should promote best practices across the industry, and they must require firms to report how AI use and what impact it has. So the future of auditing, in the end, AI can greatly improve auditing by making processes more efficient and insightful, but responsible. Implementation is essential. Both firms and regulator must work together to ensure AI improves audit quality and maintain public trust. And that's all for my report.